unzip and unpack. Attach the neck straps. Stick it to the mirror. Start grooming. Need to stop? Hang the straps to the hooks. All done. Spill the trimmings in the trash. Repack and zip. You are now the king of your castle, bearding responsibly. Fear the beard, not the mess. Beard King.
The Remington Shortcut Clipper Pro Haircut Kit has everything you need for a quality haircut at home. The innovative clipper features a curved stainless steel blade, and the kit includes 9 length adjustable combs ranging from 1/16 of an inch to 5/8, so you can do fades and other detailed styles. The clipper fits comfortably into your hand to give you a sure grip while cutting. For best results, cut against the grain of your hair growth, from the front to the top of your head and from the neck to the top. Move the clipper slowly to reduce the chances of pulling hair. The curved blade follows the shape of your head for an even cut that's as close as you want it to be. And the blade is wide, so it cuts large portions of hair with every pass and gets the job done fast. It's easy to maneuver around your ears and on the back of your head as well. To trim around your neckline and sideburns, just pop off the length comb and use the flat edge of the blade. Turn the clipper over so the blade can get closer to the skin for the clean results you've been looking for. The clipper is completely waterproof, so you can clean it easily under running water after each use. Just turn on the blades and the water will dislodge any trimmed hairs. Waterproof also means you can trim up in the shower or while your hair is still wet. For a more thorough cleaning, remove the blade assembly and wash it off separately. After each wash, apply a small amount of the included blade oil and turn on the clipper to evenly distribute the oil. This will keep the clipper working at peak performance through every haircut. Save time and money on haircuts with the Shortcut Clipper Pro Haircut Kit from Remington. How the world gets ready.
Struggling to grow a full beard? Got an itchy beard? Is it an uncontrollable mess? It's time to channel your inner lumberjack. Get the perfectly sculpted and manly beard you've always wanted with the Rapid Beard Grooming and Trimming Kit. This kit comes with everything you need to get your beard looking fuller, thicker, and healthier. Here's what's inside this badass beard kit. You got 100% natural and organic beard oil, packed with vitamins and essential oils like jojoba, argan, vitamin E, and much more. And best of all, it's unscented, so you won't have to deal with those nausea-inducing smells like with other brands. Next, you've got the best beard balm on the market. This nutrient-rich leave-in conditioner keeps your beard and skin feeling hydrated and soft, while easy to shape and tame due to its superior hold abilities. Say goodbye to that annoying beard itch and dandruff. Once you got yourself a sizable beard that's soft and silky, you gotta groom and shape that baby. Luckily, keeping your beard looking good has never been easier with our 100% boar bristle brush that distributes natural oils evenly and keeps your beard damage-free in the long run. Also included is a handmade natural wooden comb, which will slide through your beard hair without snagging and pulling them like other cheap plastic combs. Finally are the extra sharp and perfectly designed stainless steel barber grade scissors. This kit has got it all, and it's perfect for any beard type. Big, small, long, short, thick, thin, coarse, you name it. Get it for yourself or your bearded friend. It makes a fantastic gift and comes packed in a premium gift box and a canvas carry bag. Every gentleman deserves a great beard. If you're ready to take your beard game to the next level, get your Rapid Beard Grooming Kit today.
When you're going for the ultimate in full body grooming, you can't forget your back. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver has you covered, allowing you to reach the most difficult to reach parts of your back while giving you the close, smooth shave you want. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver comes with 2 shaving heads, an ultra-wide blade design for longer, coarser hair, and a bonus Ultimate Pro Foil head for an ultra-smooth shave and maintaining your look. Both attachment heads feature a shock-absorbing, multifunctional flex neck and head that effortlessly follows the contours of your back for complete range of motion and the closest shave imaginable. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver includes a fully extendable and adjustable extreme reach handle, which locks into place at any range using the new Pro XL extension lock button to reach those difficult areas of your back, including the middle and lower portions of your back. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver's unique patented design includes a 135-degree opening for the ultimate shave, but can also lock to the preferred angle by using the patent-pending Power Hinge Easy Push Lock button, enabling you to reach all areas of your back with ease. It also conveniently folds and locks for easy storage and travel. We've also included our trademark MANGROOMER Power Burst button, giving you the ability to shave through extra thick and coarse back hair with the push of a button. The ergonomic design features a soft, rubberized grip, allowing for maximum control and comfort. We've also included the added convenience of a quick charge battery that allows for easy and fast recharging. Keeping your body and your back neat, clean, and well-groomed says you've got it all together. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver shows that you care about every detail of your body's look, both coming and going. Ultimate confidence, ultimate style, ultimate pro. MANGROOMER. Maintain yourself.
What the? Nothing is worse than nicking your ball sack. Have you ever nicked your ball sack? Ow! Manscaped's Lawnmower 2.0 was specifically designed to make manscaping easy. I'm talking butt, balls, body. Featuring skin-safe technology, this trimmer won't nick or snag your nuts. 100% waterproof and shock-resistant, so you can trim your hedges in the shower. The powerful 6,000 RPM motor ensures an easy cut, even through the thickest bushes. This trim is so good, even Mark Cuban offered a deal on Shark Tank. Do yourself a favor. Try Manscaped's precision tools for your family jewels. Get yourself the Lawnmower 2.0. Your balls will thank you.